What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Well, let's start this video off with this clip of this guy who doesn't really understand the concept of cones or why they're there. Probably forgot the fact that it's a bike lane around, believe this is English Bay, and cyclists had to politely remind this guy to get the hell over on the left-hand side. And then Boosted FRS captured this crazy car accident. This guy ran the red light, hit two cars in the process, and ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you're not paying attention. You, one, destroy your vehicle, and then B, destroy everybody else's vehicles around you. LC Yoga also captured the aftermath of his accident. Hopefully everybody's okay, and I really hope everybody managed to walk away unscathed from this one. And then here's another crazy car accident that happened in Surrey. Guess that van hit the red car and flipped over. Apparently there are people inside, so there's good Samaritans are helping out. But to be honest, if I was a good Samaritan, I probably would not be on the underside of that vehicle in case it flipped over the other way. But you know what? Good on them for helping out. Hopefully everybody was okay from this one as well. And then we got poor Fozy FRX who captured this video. Unfortunately, it happened to his own car where this end driver misjudged the distance and drove right in front of him, hitting the front end of his bumper. You could just feel the agony probably that he felt from this accident. But yeah, that was the front end of his vehicle, unfortunately. Driver took full responsibility, but could have ended up worse, I guess. So here's the last car accident of the day. This happened in North Van. There's a driver coming up behind Aid, I guess we would say his name is. And basically, he's trying to cut in front of this guy. Aid's holding on the horn. Then the Mazda stops and he bumps into him, all right? ICBC is saying he's 50-50 here. What are your guys' thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. I know he hit the guy, but this guy's clearly trying to start a road rage incident. And this is kind of what happens when you play stupid games and you win stupid prizes, you know what I'm saying? So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. So this happened. Not really sure if this was on purpose or an accident. I feel like it's on purpose, but then the guy didn't even use bungee cords or anything to tie this thing down. So really, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is crazy. I can't believe people are out there driving like this, to be honest. Here's another head-scratching moment. This guy's turning left from a middle lane, even though he could pull up a little bit further forward and to the left here, but no, he's just going to park where he is at the moment. Looks like these kids need some good old-fashioned parental supervision. Watch the kids on the bikes on the left-hand side. They ride right in front of this gray SUV without a single care in the world. This is just the epitome of Richmond right here. This red car is just going to cross a million lanes of traffic basically to hang a right. Just take the next off-ramp. It's really not that hard. When truck drivers are driving like this, it's like a giant sign above their truck saying, "I'm a giant douchebag." So let me know what you guys think about this situation. So this happened at BCIT, okay? So either the Accord parked and hit the silver car, or the silver car parked and hit the Accord. What do you think happened? Let me know in the comment section below. Personally, I think the Accord hit the silver car, but then why would they just leave with their car stuck to the other car? So keep your eye on the blue SUV. They're going to pull up to the right of K Wong, yet change their mind and go from the far right lane all of a sudden to the far left lane. Completely and utterly pointless move. So I lied when I said there was no more car accident videos, but here's another one for you guys. This SUV is going to turn right from a middle lane and then sideswipe this blue car. I mean, guys, if you're going to do something like this, at least shoulder check. It's really not that hard. Alright, so let's get to a whole bunch of red light runners and stop sign runners, shall we? Starting with this guy from LM-Spec. Just, why not? No signal, right through red light. Why the hell not? You know, it's left turn only signal, but I'm just going to go through a red light. Why not? Oh, here's one. Stop sign. Almost T-bone a guy. Why the hell not? Stop at the red light and then proceed right through anyways. Why not? Go through a red light. Yeah, why not? Not stop at a stop sign and almost get T-boned. Why not? It's painfully stupid to pull off from a shoulder of a highway and not use a signal until you're in the lane already. And then Chris captures this Sprinter van driver who probably wants to end his shift a little bit early. This driver here must think they're in like Britain or Australia or something. Like, what the hell is going on? So apparently this happened in Brentwood, and somebody had told me that this is actually a common occurrence here where people drive up the sidewalk to do a U-turn. Can someone comment below if they've seen this happen? Because I personally have never seen this happen, but why don't they just do a U-turn in the parking lot where it's legal? All right, so let's get into a whole bunch of videos where people just don't really know how to turn properly. This silver SUV, for example, that just decides to turn right from a far left turn lane because, again, why not? Check out this beautifully executed right turn from the middle lane, of course. Now here's a crazy right turn. This guy must be running from the police or something, because I feel like you would not be driving like this if you were a normal, sane, non-criminal person. Here's another perfect example of why you should avoid U-turns anywhere at all cost. Just turn right and go around the block. Here is a beautiful example of one of the slowest right turns in mankind history, and is done in no other than in Richmond, of course. And then Raymond also captures the exact same thing in the exact same city. So lights about go green, and then look how many people run the red light. 1, 2. I mean, that last pickup truck should not have even considered going at that point. So Aaron has the green light here. He is about to turn right, and this guy not only cuts him off, but then goes into the only lane that Aaron could possibly have gone into. This just hurts my brain just looking at this. You know, not paying attention, driving super slow, and then of course not using their turn signals. It just summarizes how this person drives all the time. And then here's another prime example of someone not paying attention. And I'll say this once and I'll say it again. If you can't see, you gotta proceed slowly until you can make sure it's clear before you go. This Porsche driver can see Bradley coming, yet still goes for his parking spot even without a single turn signal. Wow. So you know that van clip where that guy was trying to end his shift early? Well, this guy's trying to end his shift early and also die at the same time. So according to Karen, she wasn't driving fast enough for this guy's liking around this corner. This guy you're going to see in a second decides to drive up on the shoulder here and just slam on his brakes just to provoke Karen. Just so pointless. I just don't understand why that was even necessary whatsoever. This guy was doing such a great job driving a straight line, staying within the cones, until this point, and then he just decides to go into oncoming traffic to turn left. Why? You were doing so good, buddy. Good old Bonnie's taxi drivers, the epitome of professional, safe drivers out there on the street. Here's another reason why to use your turn signals, so you avoid situations like this. Philip thinks this SUV is pulling over side, but little does he know that she's actually trying to pull into her driveway. A simple turn signal would have really helped in this situation. Turn signals in these kind of situations don't help, but simply stopping at a red light, yeah, that would really help. Oliver captures this driver drawing some unnecessary attention to himself when he tries to make it through, only to get surrounded on all sides by drivers just pissed off at him. These pedestrians clearly don't care if they live or die. Trying to jaywalk in the middle of Kingsway is just a death sentence. Pan captures this pickup truck driver who clearly is struggling to park in this spot by just ramming right into the side of this white car. Ends up being a hit and run situation because the truck driver actually drives off. No word if they ever caught the guy, but I hope they did. The first thing I thought of when I first saw this clip was these two drivers beside Marco must be undercover cops, because I don't know why anyone in their right mind would pull a stunt like this. But if they were, I feel like, shouldn't they be using like lights or something like that to show that they're going to do a move like this? This is a video I captured where this guy's on an off-ramp, decides to go back onto the main highway, cuts in from his Tesla. Tesla honks, and the guy just flips him the bird out the window. Like, come on, have some accountability, people. Here's another classic Vancouver driver move for you, going right through the left turn lane and merging back in with people without a single turn signal to be seen anywhere. This van driver here is just begging to get T-boned. It's like, look at me, hit me right in the side of my vehicle, right there. I've honestly had it up to here with these kind of jaywalkers right in the middle of a highway. I mean, who do they think they are, really? Such douchebags. Ivan's captured this crazy photo of some car accident on a side road. Not sure what happened. Hopefully everybody's okay. Just a reminder, guys, stay safe out there. Try and avoid being in these kind of situations. Alright guys, so it's that time in the video where I give away the $50 credit to Black Box My Car, sponsored of course by Black Box My Car, so a big thank you to them for sponsoring this giveaway. And this month's winner for September is Chris. So congratulations Chris on winning $50 credit to Black Box My Car. And if you guys want to win, all you guys got to do is send me videos, and if they're featured on my channel, then you're entered to win. So go ahead and do that for October, and I look forward to seeing all your guys' videos in the future. Like always, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, hit a thumbs up, give a comment, subscribe, you know, all that fun stuff. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Vancouver's Worst Drivers YouTube. The link for that is in the description below, so check that out. And again, stay safe out there on the roads. Also stay safe out there with COVID. Don't catch it, all right?